Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alhamdulillah wa sallallahu ala Sayyidina Muhammad. We're on ayah number 91 of Surat al Baqarah. We are here. A'udhu billahi min shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. وَإِذَا قِيلَ لَهُمْ آمِنُوا. This alif extends the hamza. آمِنُوا بِمَا. This is mad on the alif. بِمَا. And this is a noon. There's no sukoon written above it. Okay, let me see if I can make it bigger. Okay, here you can see it a little bit better. Right here, this is a noon sakina. After it is a za. Bima anzalallahu. Anzalallahu. Qalu. Nu'minu. Bima unzila. There's another noon hidden with a sukoon. Unzila alayna. Ya with a sukoon. Alayna wa yakfuruna bima. So there's no extending the ma here. I should say bima. Okay, bima. Wara'ahu. This mad. Wara'ahu. Wahuwa al-haqqu. You mix it. Wahuwa al-haqqu. Musaddiqan. This lam with a shadda instead of an becomes al. You mix it with, assimilate with the lam. Musaddiqal lima. You see that? Musaddiqal lima. Musaddiqal lima ma'ahum. Qul falima taqtuluna. This qaf is a qalqala, so you don't just say taq. You have to kind of resonate a double sound, almost a double sound. Taqtuluna. So you have a noon with a ba right after. This noon always has an assimilated meme. Okay, so it's a word you can also memorize. Anbiya, which means prophets. An becomes am. You'll see that in the Mus'haf. There's a little meme there. So you just remember to read Anbiya like that instead of Anbiya. You see, not with an N, noon, but with a meme, like an M sound. Anbiya Allahi. Anbiya Allahi min qablu in kuntum mu'minin. So this is noon sakina followed by kaf. That's an ikhfa. So in kun. Noon sakina again followed by ta. Another two noons. No movement. Sukoon. In kuntum. Meme has nothing because it assimilates with this meme. That's why there's a shadda. So kuntum mu'minin. In kuntum mu'minin. Jazakumullah khair for watching. Inshallah we'll upload the next lesson soon. Assalamu alaikum.